inside the corners of the Writers' Building, 8 December 1930, in Calcutta. The three young men stand in a scheduled corner, dressed in European shades. They check their revolvers.
8 ডিসেম্বর রাইটার্স বিল্ডিং এ তিনজন যুবক একদম রেডি, সেম সমকে তাদের হত্যা করতেই হবে। তারা কন্টিনিউয়াস ব্রিটিশ এম্পায়ারের অত্যাচার সহ্য করতে করতে পুরো ভারতবাসী সবাই বিধ্বস্ত। এই তিন যুবক বিনয়, বাদল, দীনেশ, এনারা তিনজন ঠিক করলেন একটা অ্যাকশন নিতেই হবে। Now our 5th standard or 6th standard students are going to perform by their act.
The moment is here. No turning back, my brother.
My heart beats only for the motherland. You know the
All the lives is in prison. Late his punishment and open eyes of British Empire.
That time three youth that Binay, Badol and Dinesh from the youth generation of that previous time of the independence, they are ready to give some kind of explosion at Writers' Building on the 8th December.
He marched discipline to Simpson office. Simpson looked up from his started. Hey you! Who are you? You can't enter without my apartment. You are the words of oppressed India. Tara and brothers, we give our life so others can live in freedom. Victory to the
These sacrifice of three youth of that generation, they have sacrificed their life. And the last time also they announced that because of their sacrifice, they sacrificed their life to get the freedom. The